Well, we've got some more toys today. We've got the OCAM wind deflectors for the 200 series. So we've got the front and rear set. I'm going to stick them on and see what they look like. Well, they appear to be okay. They don't appear to be cracked or broken or anything. I guess we'll start with the front then, shall we? I'm petrified of ballsing this up. The worst thing is, I'm going to be so happy with myself if I get the first one right. I've still got 3 more to go. It's amazing that all that holds these on is this little bit of double-sided sticky tape, but it could be the easiest mod we do to the cruiser, provided I don't screw it up. I don't know how long I'm supposed to put pressure onto this stuff, but I guess give it 30 seconds or so and hope for the best. But I reckon that looks pretty schmick. If it falls off, we'll just put it on with Sikaflex. Alright, let's see if we muck this up. Well, that's good, they didn't give me 2 driver's side ones, that's handy. It's really weird because the arc doesn't actually follow the door perfectly. It actually like cuts in a bit, you can see. Yeah. It actually comes away a bit as it goes around and then goes back, but the other one was the same, so I don't know if I've done that entirely correctly, but it's flush on this corner over here. I assume that's how it's supposed to go. I guess it's hard to tell from a distance anyway. Alrighty, let's put the back ones on. I reckon I've done that wrong. I think this might be for the other side. Yes, I was putting that on the wrong side. Ooh, that was lucky. Well, have a look at that. Nice. Well, not only do these look great, I reckon anyway, I have had these on just about every vehicle I've had in the last 20 years because I park outside. Normally I can't get the rig inside because the garage is not big enough, and in the winter you get all of the dew and all the water settling all over your windows. You drive off in the morning and you can't see anything. This actually prevents that from happening, and that's why the Japanese seem to use them a lot. All the dew settles on top of these and it doesn't land on your windows, so your windows actually stay dry. But it's really good when you're camping and you want to run an extension cord out but leave the window up in case it's raining. It's good when you can just crack all the windows down just a little bit on a hot day, but it looks like they're closed, so you can let a bit of the air escape. They're just a really, really good thing. So easy to install, actually pretty cheap, less than $100 bucks. Definitely worth going with. So there you go, that's how you stick on your easiest accessories onto your 200 series Land Cruiser. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.